Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video is the Walmart Beauty Box. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so today we are going to do a Walmart box. I have never done this Walmart box thing. I've seen somebody else do it. It's like $5. If you do it every month, there's $5. So I'm going to see if I like it. I liked some of the ones that I've seen out there. So I was just thinking, maybe. Okay, so we're going to cut this open and see what we got inside. Let me move. I'm working on a lot of videos today, as you see. You'll see me in the same clothes as you see me in my Stitch Fix. Love my friend's t-shirt. Just can't help it. Okay, so opened. Okay, let's see what is in my box. So, looks like this when I opened it. It's got a couple little papers in here. We'll read those in a minute. So I told you that this is $5 a month. It comes with samples. Once in a while you get a regular size product in here. But my first item is this. So it is a Milani mascara and it says it's new. So let's take it out. It's like a 10-in-1. Oh, that's a great travel size. Look at this. So I'm going to have to try this. Let me pull it out so y'all can see the brush. Hopefully I'm in the screen. Okay. So, hint, when you're blind and you can't see where you're putting something, a lot of times you need to put your finger on the edge of something and guide by your finger. Sometimes you get stuff all over you, but that's okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you know a secret of mine. So I opened up my Walmart box and I cannot see any of this that I'm looking at. So I paused my video, I take a picture of it with my iPad, and I zoom it in. That way I can tell you what it is. So this box right here, I don't know what the N-Degree-7 is, if that's the company, but it is a 1.5% retinol for at nighttime. So I don't know if this is a cream or a serum. So we're going to pull it out and look at it. Okay, it's a little bitty tube. I'm going to see if I can... Oops. Okay, it's a white cream. So I don't want to waste any of that, right? So I'm going to put that on my neck. That seems real soft, soaks in. Retinol is usually what you use at nighttime, but I'm not out in the sun today, so it'll be okay. So that is my second item in this box. So I got the mascara and the retinol cream. Okay, here's my third item. All my life, I wonder what witch hazel was because I've never used it before. But this says it's made by Dickinson's, and it says original witch hazel. And then it says gently balancing toner. So it is alcohol-free. Let's see what else. Fragrance-free. And it looks like it might be, I mean, it might be like a travel size bottle, but I think it's a really good size bottle, especially for a toner. Here it is again. Okay, so we'll look at this next one. It is a Cetaphil product, which I know a little bit about. I've gotten a few of the trial ones and haven't tried it yet. This says it's a daily moisturizer. I do not know if it's for your hands, your face, your body. I'm going to have to read about it. But I do know that Cetaphil is for people who have extremely dry skin, and that would be me. I have Sjogren's syndrome. So Sjogren's syndrome is an autoimmune disease where my cells are fighting against each other to take all the moisture out of my body, basically. So I have very dry skin. I have very dry mouth and nose and eyes and feet, all of that. So this totally will come in handy for someone like me. Okay, it looks like on the bottom I have 2 foil packs. So let me see what those are. And I'm showing you on this one, I'm going to put them together. So I've got my iPad like anybody else would have their iPad. And I'm going to take a picture where I'm looking for color when I take a picture. I know where I placed it and I know what colors I'm looking for. So let's see what I can tell you about these products. And I'll show you what the picture looks like in a minute. Okay, so this one right here, okay, says bio oil. It is, hold on, come on. It is for dry skin. Doesn't tell me much about it on this foil pack, but it does say bio oil dry skin care, and it's a gel. So we'll try that probably on my arms or something, because right where, I don't know if you guys can see still, right where I had my surgery, my elbow coming down this way, it's really, really dry. I can move it pretty good now, but it still hurts pretty bad. So I'm gonna try that around there. The other one, which was this one, it says Natural Vitality Calm. Let's see. It's a magnesium supplement. Oh, that's awesome. And it's in the raspberry lime flavor. Awesome. So you must add this to water, I guess. Yeah, that's awesome. So magnesium is always good, especially like right now I'm doing the keto diet, and you need to make sure you have all of your vitamins, magnesium, zinc, everything that you might be lacking, like how do you say that? Electrolytes. That's why they want you to drink so much water and drink things that are healthy, because your body is depleting some of the electrolytes and you need to refill those. This is a pretty good box for my first box. It looks like it's got some, I don't know if it's information or coupons. Oh, okay. It talks about the Calm drink. Oh, it looks like it might be a coupon there, so we'll have to keep that. And let's see what else came in there. Just says Walmart Beauty. And I guess these are items that you could have got, because this is not all the items that I received. So that's the book. Should have looked at that first, right? Okay, there's my Calm drink that I got. I got the Cetaphil, or Cetaphil, however you want to say it. Got the Witch Hazel toner. And then this was an oil, like a body oil. Okay, which one was this one? Hold on, I gotta look at this one. I still have the picture, so. Bad memory, right? Oh, it's the retinol. The night retinol. That's what this one was. And then this is the Milani mascara. So that's pretty good, guys. I only got 2 little foil packs, but I got 4 other samples, and I only paid $5 for the box. So that is not bad at all. So I will make sure I get out there and get next month's box, because I don't know if it renews itself or they just send you a box. So pretty good. We travel a lot, or we were traveling a lot. So all these small items that come in, like my Allure box or my Walmart box, I put them in my bathroom drawer, and when we get ready to travel, that's what I will use. So pretty good. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoy the Walmart box. Subscribers, thank you again for being here all the time to hang out with me. I appreciate you. If you are not subscribed and you like this type of content, which is skincare, makeup, hair, unboxings, reviews, travel, vlogs, and daily vlogs, and things about my life, because I am blind and I may do things differently, or I may talk about my blindness and just educate you on how it is to be blind. So if you like any of that, go below, check subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, and click the like button. I am on the way to my 250 subscribers, where I will be doing a pretty large giveaway. So please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, please don't leave. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day. And once again, I say thank you.